guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fire Neurons. My intention to create this YouTube channel is to help you guys to clear the NET exam for the Computer Science 2021-22. Let us have a preview on the units of paper 2 for Computer Science. Highlighting the unit preview, we can see that there are 10 chapters or 10 units. They are the discrete structure and optimization, computer system and architecture, programming languages and computer graphics, database management systems, system software and operating systems, software engineering, data structures and algorithms, theory of computation and compilers, data communication and computer networks, and artificial intelligence. As a base from your BSc graduation to the MSc or the post-graduation, you have learned almost all the subjects from the computer system architecture, the database management system, programming languages, system software, operating system, software engineering, data structures, artificial intelligence are new to you in the post-graduation, and theory of computation and compilers too, and data designing, structure designing algorithms are also new in your post-graduation. So after the post-graduations, you are intended to appear the CS exam, NET exam in the second year of your post-graduation, and so you will be covering the discrete structure, the computer system architecture, the programming languages, mainly the C, C++, and the computer graphics, database management system, software, operating system, software engineering, etc. So artificial intelligence, theory of computations are new to you, and the design algorithmic structures are also new to you. So let us see what are the syllabus criteria that is given in all the units. Coming to the first unit, the discrete structures, you will maybe encountering with the mathematical logic, that is the propositional and the predicate logic, which is also being reflected in artificial intelligence, and sets and relation, and the pigeonhole principle, the group theory, graph theory, which is highlighted from the data structure. You have you will be encountering the graph representations, multigraph, Eulerian paths, Hamiltonian paths, and all in the data structure unit, and it is a part of it. And the Boolean algebra, that is reflected from the digital logic, and then the optimization methods, the linear programmings, are all included in the first unit. The second unit, you may see the digital logic, circuits and combinations, wherein you will be having a part to the first unit, which is the Boolean algebra, and the data representation, the basic register transfer, micro operations, micro program controlled, then the central processing unit, what are the different registers, and then pipeline and vector. So this also includes the microprocessors. Microprocessor subject is also included, which you have studied in your graduation. So an expansion of it, only a wide small area has been covered from the microprocessor, wherein you have the characteristics, the interconnection structures, the coherence, cache coherence, multi-core processors and all. And then coming to the unit 3, the programming languages, wherein you will be familiar with the C programming and the C++, the Java, designing and all. And it is combined or interlinked with the computer graphics, where you have an introduction to the display devices, raster scan, random scan systems, and the line algorithm, line drawing algorithm, polygon fill algorithm, boundary fill, flood, and then the 2D and 3D object representation, the transformation, the Bezier, B-spline curves, etc. So in this unit, you have a combination of the programming languages and the computer graphics. And then comes the database management system, which from your graduation you are familiar with this, the structure and the architectures of DBMS, the data modeling, SQL normalization, and enhanced data models is a new. So in this in this last 2 years, when you consider the last 2 years, you may see that there are questions. The main questions comes from the base, that is the SQL, the data definition, the normalization, how to find it, whether the given options are normalized, and all. And then the last area is the new, there are questions arising from the last area, that is data warehousing and data mining, the classification, clustering, regression, that is included in the data mining subject. So it is also included in this unit. And then the big data system, which is in this era, is new to this era. Then system, software and operating system, the basic operating system, what is the process management, resource management, CPU scheduling, deadlocks, threads, what is, and then memory management, storage management, all the functions of operating system has been described. And then comes the last portion, linear operating, which is the Windows operating system and distributed systems. There are questions arising from this area. So the last area, last section of this, all the units have been encountered, or is encountered the last 2 years, in the last 2 years. Then coming to the software engineering is here, say unit 6, wherein the software process models, you can see the requirements, software quality, the software testing, and the configuration management. Unit 7 includes the data structures and algorithms, wherein you have the familiar data structures that you cover in your graduation and MSc. And then the performance of the algorithms is also encountered, wherein you study about the time and space complexity of each algorithms, the searching algorithms or the sorting algorithms, and then the graph algorithms, wherein you have the breadth first search, depth first search, the shortest path, which is also included in artificial intelligence, finding the maximum flow, minimum spanning trees, complexity of NP class problems, and advanced algorithms are also there. And unit 8, you have the theory of computation and the combination of theory of computations and compilers, which is TOC and compilers. You have the regular language models, regular language context-free languages, Turing machines, and unsolvable problems. Then the syntax, which comes under the compilers, the syntax analysis and runtime system, intermediate code generation, all the processing that is done in the compiler, by a compiler, has been discussed. Unit 9 is a data communication, computer networks. You can also divide this unit as mobile computing, IoT, it all covers that. So the computer network is familiar to you in your graduation, from your graduation, but data communication is another area wherein you have the modulation techniques, where you which is the digital or analog transmissions that you should be familiar. And then the World Wide Web, the network security, the mobile technology, and the cloud computing and IoT, which is in this era, is the most important topic, wherein the questions are arising. So just to know about what is SaaS and PaaS, IaaS, public and private cloud, has to be discussed. And the last unit is artificial intelligence, wherein you have the approaches to AI and the knowledge representation planning. And you have an area, a topic of natural language processing, multi-agent system, what is fuzzy sets, wherein you would be encountering different problems, the genetic algorithms and artificial neural networks. These are the 10 units. And apart from which, now the base of each unit is covered with the question, with 2 or 3 questions. And nowadays the last portion of each unit has been, the questions is arising mostly from that area. So you should have a knowledge about the new techniques, that has the IoT, the cloud computing, the big data, the AI mainly the machine learning. What is machine learning? What are the different machine learnings, where and all, and the problems of fuzzy, and again the agents and environments, what is its importance, that is also to be encountered. So giving the priority, you should have a base of an operating system, of the subject operating system, data structure and algorithm, computer networks and DBMS, and artificial intelligence, software engineering. So the main area is artificial intelligence. Nowadays it is coming to be, you have questions from it as 8 to 12 questions are arising from it. And all the others, you have theory of computation, there were questions before, but now it has been reduced. So accordingly we cannot predict what and all, how many number of questions it arises, but the last topic has not been, questions were not there for before 5 years. So the last 5 years it has been encountered that it can be, you can see that the last area of each unit which is toughest or the new version has to be studied for this clearing your NET exam for computer science. And I hope I have given you an outline of each unit, and let's see what happens in the next video. And I would give information start with artificial intelligence in the next video, giving more importance to the new topic, new era. Let us see the problems that would be there in artificial intelligence, and see you in the next video. Thank you.